Hello friends, today we will discuss about the previous year question. So first question is HIV virus 1 subtype which is most common in the India. Okay, so here the option given are the subtype A, B, C and the E. So always remember in India and the worldwide type C is the most common. So type A it is most common in the West Africa, whereas type B is common in Europe, America, Japan and the Australia. Okay, so you can remember is C is most common in India. So second question here is transfer of a portion of DNA from one bacterium to the another by bacteriophage is known as transformation, transduction, conjugation and the lysogenic conversion. Here the option is transduction. Okay, so what happens here is there will be a portion of one DNA from one bacterium to the another. It is usually done by the bacteriophage. There are two types of transduction is there. One is generalized, another is restricted. Okay, so in generalized what happens is, any part of the donor bacterial genome can be taken and it is it is transduced into the recipient bacteria. Okay, but here what happens is in restricted, here any part of donor genome can be taken, but here only the particular genetic segment of the bacterial chromosome that is present adjacent to the phage DNA. Okay, so generalized means anything it can be taken, whereas restricted means which is adjacent to the phage DNA. It is usually transduced into the another bacterium by the bacteriophages. So this you want to remember. Third question is squamous cell carcinoma is caused by human papillomavirus, HIV virus, EBV virus and human adenovirus. So always it is an human papillomavirus because it will be causing a cervical intraepithelial neoplasia, but it is a benign condition. Okay, so which is associated with type 6 and the type 11, whereas squamous cell carcinoma is associated with 16, 18, 31, 33 and the 45. So the high risk serotypes are usually associated with squamous cell carcinoma, which can involve the other areas like penis, anus, vagina and the vulva. So you want to remember, like squamous cell carcinoma, it is most commonly caused by the human papilloma virus, and that it can also cause both the benign and the malignant lesions. Thus, all of the following combination of zoonosis are correct except rose river fever caused by horses, yellow fever by mongoose, rabies by dogs, jackal and bat, and Lassa fever by multi-mammalian rat. So here you know, right? So the yellow fever, it is between the monkeys and the forest mosquitoes, and it has a two cycle. Okay, jungle cycle and the urban cycle. Whereas urban cycle, it is between the human and the mosquitoes. That is an Aedes aegypti. So all of the options are given or correct except the option B, that is an yellow fever. Okay. So coming for next question is, so the cholangiocarcinoma is associated with which of the following trematodes? Here they have given Schistosoma hematobium, Clonarchus sinensis, Fasciola gigantica and Fasciola hepatica. Yeah, here the option is Clonarchus sinensis. So Clonarchus sinensis, it is usually associated with the cholangiocarcinoma. So what are the other parasites causing malignancies are Schistosoma hematobium causes and squamous cell carcinoma of the urinary bladder, and Clonarchus sinensis causes cholangiocarcinoma of liver, bile duct and adenocarcinoma of the pancreas, and Opisthochus sinensis causes cholangiocarcinoma of the bile duct. So you want to remember these all the parasites which are usually causing the malignancies. Thank you friends.